What is up with Kotti Network, Kotti token? Let's have a look. And I'm using Ichimoku Cloud, only 3 minutes, so bear with me. Will be interesting. So what do we see here? We have our lagging that is free to go up and down, no problem. A bit of resistance here for our candle at 0.56. So you can see we almost went up to there for our all-time high, ATH, for those who don't understand the ATH. So that's it. We have now a pullback. It seems like it, at least seeing this daily candle. When we look at a daily, we can try to see with Ichimoku Cloud where is our price support. And the first one we have is the Tenkan daily, and then our Kijun. So they are very close to each other. They start to getting flat. That's not a good sign, because if they get flat, they are going to attract our current candle into it. Well, it's only a day. It has been for 1 day only. So no worries so far. It's okay. It's not too critical. Our cloud also is going to be flat. You can see here. So what do we expect here if we're going to go on a pullback? We are going to expect 0.41 or 0.39. Okay, so 0.40. Sorry, 0.40. So that's where we are at the moment. Now, what do you want to do? Is to look into a 4 hours time frame and try to see what's going on. So we have a doji, another doji, and maybe now right away another doji forming. So at the moment it's ranging. The traders don't know what to do. The retail traders, the institutions, no one knows what to do. It's the same with Bitcoin. Don't worry. We have expiration contract tonight going on, so be careful. Be ready with a stop loss. I would recommend you do whatever you want, guys, but I would have a stop loss at least at my Tenkan 4 hours here, 0.46 on my 4 hours time frame. And if you can go quite large, put it down the Kijun daily 0.40. I will warranty you to don't lose too much, and you will buy way lower later on. Don't worry, you will have many occasions to buy it for a cheaper price. So you will make back whatever losses you made. As for a long trend, if we keep going up, we will have a resistance at the 0.57. So you know where to put your first take profit. I don't use take profit. You shouldn't as well. You should do what we call trailing stop method. If you're playing on option futures, you do have this one. However, it's better to do it manually at the moment, because you want to be basing your stop loss as per your resistance. So if it goes to 0.57, you don't take the profit, you just up your resistance to here, for example, here on the lagging at 0.53. If you're looking at a daily, what other references you have? You have here at the same, at 0.53, that's the one. And if it keep pushing up and up here, since we never been that high, you're going to have to use a Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci will tell you where to place your next stop loss once you reach the all-time high. So we're gonna use one quickly here, up FIB here. You can see if we start to break above this 57, then we have to go all the way to 161 to the 61%, sorry, which is $1.10. So in between you will see your lagging creating some reverse and etc. So you can use it as a stop loss. You will have your Tenkan and Kijun as well, etc, etc. You guys take care. I talk too much already. I see you soon. Have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.